Welcome to our channel Come Draw With Us, where today we're going to be drawing this picture of Lucy. In this tutorial, I'm first going to show you a sped up drawing, but then I'm going to slow the video down so you can see each individual step in the process of drawing Lucy. If it's still not quite slow enough for you to complete your own drawing, just feel free to pause the video where necessary and just resume when you're ready. So first, let's watch the sped up drawing. So now that you have an idea of what we're going to draw, let's just slow it down and take it step by step. And just remember, if it's still a little bit too fast, just go ahead and pause in between each step and then resume when you're ready. Here is your final picture of Lucy. I hope you had a great time and thanks for watching.